Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What?
No?
¿Cómo dijiste?
I said guys, welcome back to my channel.
What?
Hey guys.
Okay, so today,
What are you making?
anyways, we are making bulldog, but we are going to put it in little like balls, and we're gonna fry it, and we're going to make holy mac like from Fluckers.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, we're gonna try. But instead of it being like this, it's going to be like this in the ball.
Ay,
Okay, if you want to do the holy mac, you need mac and cheese. We're doing it the box way because we were too lazy to make it homemade. If you want to make it homemade, go ahead. No one's stopping you. We got eggs, oil, what is this? Breadcrumbs, and flour. And if you want to make the bulldog, it's the same thing, but you need these. You could choose your own flavor, but this one's the best one. You can't make this homemade. One, two, three, four. Wait. Okay, then you're going to make like your macaroni into little balls like this. Okay, what are you trying? Holy mac. The holy macs. Try it then. Open it up. Oh, open it? Well, yeah. I thought you were gonna bite into it. Open it up. Ta-da! Ay! Try it.
Len, a ver, ¿y ahora qué vas a probar?
The bulldog!
Bulldog. A ver, ¿cómo se ve?
Loca.
Eso se ve rarito. How is it? It's good? Yes, ese.